Dealing in property is not easy. On an average, a real estate agent spends about 67% of his time meeting and showing around clients who eventually do not convert. Time loss is loss of opportunity. Yes, dealing in property is really not easy. At commonfloor.com, we want to help you close more deals and make more money. Today's home hunters are busy professionals and businessmen who are looking for good property options to shortlist, site visit, and close. No one's got time. Our data shows that people spend 500% more time on listings with photographs of the property and are 400% more likely to convert if they express an interest after viewing those photos. So why waste any more time? Grab your camera or your smartphone and upload great pictures of properties that you have to show. Visit commonfloor.com/takesuperpics to learn how to do this best.